Another severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has
Thunderstorm.
issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Porter County in northwestern Indiana, Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until 9:45
Looks like
p.m.
another
At
severe
8:39 p.m.,
thunderstorm warning
severe
issued for
thunderstorms
another
were
Porter in
located
Lake
along a
County in
line
Indiana.
extending from near South Shore to Fort Heights to near Pewtown, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Hammond, East Chicago, Schererville, Highland, Munster, Dyer, St. John, and Whiting around 8:45 p.m. Merrillville, Crown Point, and Griffith around 8:50 p.m. Gary, Lake Station, and New Chicago around 8:55 p.m. Hobart, Cedar Lake, Lowell, Lake Delacarlia, and Ogden Dunes around 9 p.m. Portage, Valparaiso, Chesterton, South Haven, and Burns Harbor around 9:05 p.m. Hebron, Lakes of the Four Seasons, Porter, Winfield, and Beverly Shores around 9:10 p.m. Cows around 9:20 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for northeastern Illinois and northwestern Indiana. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 8:45 p.m. At 8:34 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Richton Park, or over Park Forest, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source,